Hello, and welcome to Gioconda AI tutorial videos. In today's session, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create and schedule a job for our new AI employee. So let's get right to it. First thing first, we need to log in into our Gioconda AI portal. We're going to navigate to login page and login. Once you've logged in, we're going to navigate to our jobs tab, which is on your left hand side. And the only option is available to us on this page is to add a new job or schedule a new job. In the next window, we have several options. First, we need to give a name to a new job. So let's call it Gioconda Reception. Just so we could easily recognize the job and what it does. We're going to choose a job type, which we know that our Gioconda is going to be answering calls on behalf of our business. The next option for us is to choose an AI employee who's actually trained to answer calls. And the only AI employee who's trained to answer calls is Gioconda. So we're going to choose her. And in the next window, we get to choose a phone number which we would like to use with our AI employee. And this is the number which we have purchased in step one, where we actually were choosing and reserving a phone number for our AI employee use. So we choose the available number which we've purchased during the step one. And now we save the job. That's it. You have just successfully created and scheduled a job for your new AI employee. Now, the difference between answering calls and making calls jobs would be in the schedule. Uh, when we designate our AI employee to answer calls on behalf of the business, we don't really want to set any hours of operation. We would like our AI employee to answer calls, business calls, 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, when we configure our AI employees to make calls, now we would like to be actually cautious with the hours of operations. We do not want our AI employee to be making calls outside of the normal business hours. To it would be it would be suboptimal. It would not be beneficial for the business, and it would be intrusive to people. So when we create AI employee who's making calls on behalf of our business, we do in that case we do want to set hours of operations, and I will show that option in my next demo when I'll be showing you how to create and schedule a job for AI employee who'd be making calls. I'll have a separate video for that. Now, this concludes our session. You have successfully uh, pre-created and scheduled a job. And the next step is to run this job. Thank you so much for your attention.